children, good morning. How are you? All of you had your breakfast? Drank milk? Very good. Let us start our today's class. Before starting the class, as usually, we'll update the calendar. Today date is 29/10/20. So what is the 10th month? October. So today date is 29th October. What is today's date? 29th October. If today is 29, what will be tomorrow? 30. 29 after 30. 29 before 28. Yesterday was 28th October. Today is 29th October. And tomorrow will be 30th October. What day is today? Thursday. What day is today? Thursday. If today is Thursday, what will be tomorrow? Friday. What will be tomorrow? Friday. Thursday before? Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Friday. Today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday. Let's revise days of the week and months of the year. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Shall we revise the phonics ones? A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay. Shall we practice the rhyme? I hear thunder. Open your course books, everybody. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, Peter patter raindrops, Peter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you, I'm wet through, so are you. I hear thunder, oh don't you, Peter patter raindrops, Peter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you, I'm wet through, so are you. Let's start our today's class. Today we'll go with English, have and has. Have and has. In the previous classes we learnt about this, that, these and those. So when we use this, when one thing which is near to us, we'll use this. When one thing which is far from us, we'll use that. In the same way, when we are speaking about many things, and a plural form, when we are speaking about many things which are near to us, we'll use these. When we are speaking about many things which are far from us, మనకి దూరంగా ఉన్న things గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు those. So this and that is a singular form. These and those is plural form. This, that, these, those. Today we learn about have and has. When we should use have and when we should use has. I, you, we, they. So for these four words, I, నేను, you, మీరు లేదా నువ్వు, we, మనం, they, వాళ్ళు. Okay? I, you, we, they. We should use have. When these four words come, we should use have. I have. You have. We have. They have. He, she, She has. It has. I have a pen. You have a bag. We have trade. They have pens. Look here. He has a chocolate. She has a flower. It has a tail. All of you open course book. Page number 25. Use of have and has. Has is used with he, she, it. So, he, she, it. ఈ 3 words ఎక్కడ వచ్చినా సరే has అని రావాలి. Next. He, she, it. Has. Next. Have is used with I, we, they. I, we, they. You also. I, you, we, they. We should use have. Read the sentences here. I have a balloon. I have a balloon. She has 3 balloons. She has 3 balloons. They have storybooks. They have storybooks. He has a ball. He has a ball. He is playing with it. He has a ball. He is playing with it. We have a card. We have a card. He has a scooter. He has a scooter. Okay. Listen carefully. I, you, we, they. When these 4 words come, we should use have. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. Page number 13, activity book. Complete the sentences with have or has. Open page number 13, activity book. She dash a bag. When she comes, what should you use, children? Has. H-A-S, has. The blank is given in the middle, so use only small letters. Don't use capital letters. She has a bag. Next. He dash a ball. When he comes also we should use has. He has a ball. He has a ball. Next. We dash books with us. We dash books with us. When we comes we should use have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. We have books with us. Next. It dash a short tail. It dash a short tail. When it comes, we should use has. It has a short tail. Next. They dash many balloons. They dash many balloons. When they comes, what should we use? Have or has? Have. They have many balloons. They have many balloons. Next, I dash a basket full of apples. I dash a basket full of apples. When I comes, have. I have a basket full of apples. I, you, we, they, we should use have. He, she, it, we should use has. Remember that carefully. Note it down. Look at the board. 10 to 100 number names. T-E-N 10, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, T-H-I-R-T-Y 30, F-O-R-T-Y 40, see carefully. Most of you are writing FOURTY. అది wrong. FORTY వస్తుంది 40. మీకు వర్క్ ఇచ్చాను స్లేట్ వర్క్ మీద చాలా మంది FOUR అని రాస్తున్నారు. FORTY 40. నెక్స్ట్ FIFTY 50. SIXTY 60. SEVENTY 70. EIGHTY 80. NINETY 90. HUNDRED 100. HUNDRED 100. TEN 10. TEN 10. TWENTY 20. THIRTY 30. FORTY 40. FIFTY 50. SIXTY 60. SEVENTY 70. EIGHTY 80. NINETY 90. HUNDRED 100. Write these number names 2 times in check rule book and birds, names of birds in 4 rule book 2 times. Okay, both notebook work only. Check rule book lo 10 to 100 2 times and 4 rule book lo birds names 2 times. That's all for today children. Bye, see you, have a nice day.